Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Net Worth and Lifestyle of Celebrities. Today we will discuss about Dave Grohl Net Worth 2024. In this video you will get to know all the information that Dave Grohl's bio, career and lifestyle. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you should know who is Dave Grohl. So David Eric Grohl is an American musician. He founded the rock band Foo Fighters, of which he is the lead singer, guitarist and principal songwriter. From 1990 to 1994, he was the drummer of the French band Nirvana. In 1986, at age 17, Grohl joined the punk rock band Scream, replacing drummer Kent Stax after Scream broke up in 1990. Grohl became the drummer of Nirvana. He first appeared on the band's second album, the worldwide smash Nevermind. Now talk about Dave Grohl early life details. So Grohl was born in Warren, Ohio on January 14, 1969, the son of teacher Virginia Jean and news writer James Harper Grohl. He is of German, Slovak, Irish and English descent. His father James was an award-winning journalist and the special assistant to US Senator Robert Taft Jr., who was described as a talented political observer who possessed the ability to call every major election with uncanny accuracy. When he was a child, Grohl's family moved to Springfield, Virginia, and when he was 7, his parents divorced and he was subsequently raised by his mother. At the age of 12, he began learning to play guitar. He grew tired of lessons and instead taught himself, eventually playing in bands with friends. And in 1994, Grohl married Jennifer Lee Youngblood, a photographer from Grosse Pointe, Michigan, and they separated in December 1996 and divorced in 1997. And after that, Grohl admitted to infidelity. And on August 2nd, 2003, he married Jordan Blum. Now talk about Dave Grohl net worth in 2024. So our analysis indicates that Dave Grohl's net worth is around $330 million. So I request you to please like the video, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell.